Ever wondered how to make your garden not just visually appealing but also aromatic? Or how about growing your own herbs for that perfect cup of aromatic tea? Aromatic Tea Gardens are the answer. They enhance your garden's allure and your tea experience. Stay with us as we delve into the top 5 herbs you can grow in your own aromatic tea garden. Starting off our list is the refreshing and invigorating mint. This herb offers a cool, bright taste and a scent that truly energizes. Mint also boasts several health benefits such as aiding digestion and soothing headaches. To grow, it prefers a bit of shade and well-drained soil. With its invigorating scent and flavor, mint is a must-have in your aromatic tea garden. Next up is the calming and soothing chamomile. Its sweet, apple-like fragrance and mild taste make a delightful brew. Known for its sleep-promoting and anxiety-reducing benefits, it's a breeze to grow, preferring full sun and well-drained soil. Chamomile, with its calming properties, is a perfect addition to your evening tea ritual. At number 3, we have the citrusy and uplifting lemon verbena. This herb fills your garden with a zesty aroma and adds a lemony punch to your tea. Not only is it refreshing, but it also offers numerous health benefits. To grow, it simply needs plenty of sunlight. For a citrusy twist to your teas, lemon verbena is your go-to herb. Coming in fourth is the fragrant and relaxing lavender. Known for its distinct floral aroma and subtle taste, lavender can soothe the mind and support sleep. It thrives in sunny, well-drained spots. Lavender, with its unique floral aroma, will surely add a touch of elegance to your teas. Last but not least, we have the robust and stimulating rosemary. Known for its invigorating scent and pine-like flavor, rosemary offers health benefits like improved digestion and enhanced memory. It thrives in well-drained soil and full sun. Rosemary, with its strong aroma and flavor, is sure to perk up your morning tea. So there you have it, our top 5 herbs for creating your own aromatic tea garden. Mint, chamomile, lemon verbena, lavender, and rosemary, each with their unique aroma and flavor to enhance your tea experience. Growing these herbs not only enriches your garden but also provides a natural, fresh source for your teas. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!